Hi, I'm Patti. I'm from Qualicum Beach, Vancouver Island, and today I'm very excited I get to work with Adrian. Our daughter works for NM, and she's introduced me to the workouts. And when she comes to the island to visit us, we usually do 2 to 3 workouts a day. I have been doing Adrian's workouts for about 4 months now, and today I'm very excited because I get to meet him in person.
My name is Adrian Gaskin, instructor with NM. Now today I'm taking Patti through the loaded movement workout. Now I've never met Patti, this is the first time, so I'm really interested to see how she is as she goes through this. The workout itself is really geared towards anybody, so I'm looking forward to hearing her feedback about how it feels and really helping her out with some coaching tips.
Hi.
Hello Patti,
Hi.
How are you? You got an elbow?
Well, we will elbow.
Lovely to meet you.
And you as well.
Yeah. I hear you've been already practicing the program, is that correct?
Yes, I have. Yeah. Teaching the grandkids too.
Oh, very good,
Yes,
very good.
yes,
Passing on all that good stuff.
Exactly.
I love that, I love that. So what are you wanting to achieve with the program?
Just to be healthy living and carry on to show the grandkids, like you respect your body because it's the only one you got for your whole life. So just to be healthy.
I love that. I love that. Okay, let's start this warm up with a 3D stretch. So what we're gonna, you know what you're gonna do. You know what you're gonna do. Stagger your stance. And you can go a little bit wider even. You can play around with a little wider stance. So your back foot is wider. Come as high as you can onto your toes. Really good. So now we're stretching this big toe, which is a really important thing.
Oh, I can feel that on the inside of my leg now.
Yeah. And just reach that left hand up towards the ceiling. Come up higher, straighten both legs. There we go. Yeah, I like that. I like that. This is great. This is great. Left hand on your left hip.
All right.
Reach to the, good. Good. Soft there. I like that. Soften that right knee. Yeah, good. Yeah, that's it. So you're not rotating as much in this position. Mm-hmm. Do you feel that left glute still? Mm-hmm. Beautiful.
Yeah.
For me, piecing together this program and going over it again and over it again, like my mindset was, I was primarily thinking about my mother. I was, and I was thinking of something that she could do, but something an athlete could do, something somebody that's never done anything could also do. And for those exact reasons, right? To continue enjoying life, to continue living in our body and taking advantage of this body that we have. Jumping up. Whoa, I like that. That's some good height. Yeah, very good, very good, very good, very good. See if you can speed it up just a little bit. Good. Good, and relax. She's doing wonderfully. The movements look smooth, rhythmic, fluid. She's got great strength as well, so I'm enjoying working with her.
Well, I picked up a couple of pointers now and a different move for doing the burpees, which is great.
Yeah.
And it makes it actually easier. So I think the more I practice it, the easier it will be.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right? So,
absolutely. So it's lateral balance is our power exercise. So we're moving from one side over to the other. So we're bounding laterally. What we can call upon with this exercise is those glutes again, right? You want to feel this glute. This is where your strength lies. And that's going to take you from one side to the other. If you spend the time doing it, everything outside of that time you've spent will improve. So whether that is your golf game, whether that is playing with the grandkids, your ability to move, your ability to endure, your strength is all going to improve.
Yes, because I recently have taken up pottery as well. Nice. And it even helps with that actually, because you got to have strong arms for that.
Following that, we'll be squatting. We'll be squatting, so we can use the dumbbells. You're just going to sit down and stand up. So lead with the hips. So what I mean by that is it's your bum that's going to go backwards first. Okay. Right, so sit back as if you're sitting into a seat. Yeah. And now push off the ground, stand up. I like that. That's the rep. And again, so that's a really important cue, is that leading with the hips. It's the hips that are going to shift backwards first, and then you're driving up. This is great. This is really good. Okay, so you show me how you're going to hold those. Good, and remember start again, lead from the hip. Yeah, that's it, and sit down, 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 and then driving up from there. Good, bring the dumbbells a little bit lower. Sit back. This is a strong squat. This is a strong squat. Nice. It's nice. We did it. I know we did it. You're doing more work than me.
I feel so much better. If I don't exercise, for a day or two, I feel it like I need to do it and I want to do it. So I always make time. Doesn't matter if it's before or after dinner, or while I'm cooking dinner. I just take that time and do it for myself. And I think everybody should make that time for themselves.
Let's move on. So we're going to go bent over row now.
Sure. Okay.
I'll get you to show me. Nice. Exhale as you do so. Good. I'll get you to rotate the hands slightly. So and you just finish there. Give yourself a bit of space and then bringing them back down together. Yeah, so that's a really, really good point with this exercise, with this position. She's just telling me that she's feeling it in her glute while she's holding there. And that's what she should be feeling. That glute should be doing the stabilizing, helping her in this position. So that's really, really cool. Relax there. And I just want you to think about squeezing this glute, keeping the abdomen slightly engaged, and just really try and find an opening through the front of that left hip. Calm your breathing now, so think of breathing through your nose. Slow inhalations, slow exhalations. We're just trying to down-regulate the entire system now.
I think everyone should find where they feel comfortable at doing it. When my husband travels a lot, so sometimes if I go with him, so I can always do your routine in the hotel room. Because I have it with me.
It's funny you say that. My mother, she's never been interested in going to a gym. We think of fitness, we might think of a certain thing, but the reality is, it's for human beings. We move throughout our entire life. From the moment we're born, we're moving, right? And this program is, I put it together with the mindset that if people do it, it's only going to enrich their lives more.
This morning when I woke up, I was feeling anxiety. I kind of have an anxiety issue, and I kind of thought, I can't do this, I was feeling overwhelmed, and then you come in and I was like, oh no, I'm so nervous again. I was like, oh my goodness. But then you just are so calm.
All of the things you've told me are just like, I don't know, it just blows my mind, and I'm just so happy. I'm so stoked to hear that. So I have to just thank you, and it's lovely to meet you today. And it was really great taking you through that workout. And honestly, you're killing it. Like the movements look great.
Oh, great.
Look
Thank
solid.
you. Thank you very much.
Absolute pleasure. So lovely to meet you.
Yeah.